A man is dead and his common-law wife hospitalized under police guard following a domestic dispute in Mitchelltown, Clarendon on Monday night. The deceased has been identified as 36-year-old farmer Orion Cole of Mitchelltown. He was reportedly stabbed in the chest by the woman after he slapped her with a piece of wood during the dispute. Reports are that about 10 p.m. Cole and his common-law partner were at home when a heated argument developed between them, during which he slapped her several times with a piece of wood. The woman reportedly retaliated using a knife to stab Cole in his chest. The police were alerted and the couple was assisted to hospital where Cole was pronounced dead. The woman was admitted for treatment. The Clarendon police are probing the incident. Businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald and co-accused Oscar Barnes have been found guilty of murder and conspiracy to murder in 2020 killing of McDonald's wife Tonia. The verdict was handed down Wednesday afternoon in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. The jury returned with the verdict after approximately an hour of deliberating. Following trial, Judge Chester stamped summation. After the verdict was handed down, relatives of Tonia McDonald were seen weeping. Charges have been laid against a 23-year-old man in connection with the murder of a 16-year-old girl at her home in Kingston 2 Saturdays ago. He is Tajay Square of an Albion Avenue, Kingston 5 address. He has been charged with the murder of 16-year-old Bianca Thompson, otherwise called Abby, also of Albion Avenue. Square has also been charged with possession of prohibited weapon, shooting with intent, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and making use of firearm to commit a felony. Reports from Denham Town Police are at about 11:22 p.m. They were called to the community by a person who reportedly hearing explosions. The lawmen responded and found Thompson lying in a bedroom of her house with several gunshot wounds. She was assisted to hospital but was pronounced dead upon arrival. 3 days after the killing, the police apprehended Square in an operation. Square was charged today after a question and answer session. His court date has been arranged, the police said.